everyone. In today's class, we are going to learn AY sound words. It is also called long vowel A. Why it is called long vowel A? Because whenever the Y comes along with the vowels, it will pretend to be a vowel. Y has its own phonic sound. It is called Y. Y is for yellow. Yellow. But it comes with vowel. It will become some other sound. So shall we see what it becomes? A and Y makes A sound. What it becomes? It only has one sound, A. It is called vowel digraph. Can you see the similar sound over in all those words? A and Y makes one sound. It is called A. The A, day, pill, A, play, A, hey. Now it's time to read all the words. Look at the words, look at the consonants, and look at the vowels. Now try to read the words bay, lay, say, sway, away, spray, way. That's how the A and Y becomes one sound and it becomes as A. Thank you.